This is page 6 now. On top is the letters starting to connect to other normal looking letters without any change. This is ba, sin, ta, ra, ta, mim, jim, lam, ha, jim, kha, ta, sin, dal, shin, ra, ain, ذل, صاد, باء, ضاد, دل, غين, ميم, فاء, ذل, قاف, لم, كاف, نون, لم, ميم, نون, كاف, ها, لم, همزة, ذل, يا, را, ثاء, جيم, نون, تاء, ثاء, با, noon, va. Lesson 3 here on these lesson right here, this is starting to show how some of the letters can take different forms. Alif here in the bottom. It's not such a great example. Ba could appear like this or like that. Ba could appear like this or like that. Ta at times is written like that. At times, if it connects to a letter in the end of the word where it is connected, looks like this. If it is not connected and stays on its own, sometimes it could appear like that. Ain in the middle of the word could look like that. At the end, it looks like this. Ghain looks like that in the middle, looks like that in the end. Fa looks like that in the middle of a sentence. Always remember one dot for fa, or like this in the end form. Qaf will look like this. You'll remember the two dots for qaf. Kaf, it'll look like this. And lam often looks, this is a lam alif. Lam alif as well here. Mim, it connects like this in the middle, looks like that in the end. At times it looks like that if it's medial connected to another. Ha, at the end of the word, if it's connecting, looks like this. At times it could look like that. Yeah, looks like that. And there's another exercise here at the bottom. This is noon, ba, tha, ta, ain, ta, fa, ra, ghain, qaf, ya, ta, lam alif, kaf, lam, mim, ta, ba, ha, صاد, ta, ain, hamza, ain, ba, ghain, noon, ain, ba, qaf, noon, jim, noon, jim, ya, mim, kaf, alif, ta, ya, tha, ya, ba, ya, lam, ya, noon, ya.